Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly access GPT-4 or ChatGPT-4 for free. So in here, this is basically a website called po.com. So you just have to go over to this website and in here you can see there are a couple of features on the left side including ChatGPT and GPT-4. So once you're over here, you just have to go on over and use this if you want. So as you can see, it will depend on the daily limit. So be sure to keep on time on this message limit so that you can use this ChatGPT for free. Other than that, this website utilizes updated technology better than ChatGPT. So in here, as you can see, it has a couple of features on here. So all you have to do is go over and select your bots here and just use it one by one, depending on what you want to utilize. So okay guys, that is how you can use GPT-4 for free. Thank you for watching and goodbye.